They give the flipping distance and only on his own athleticism for the most prestigious competition of all, the Birdman Rally. With this plethora of experience in the sports world, we've got one important question to ask the journo. Will you flop or will you fly? Clint will be raising funds for two charities mostly are the Moomba Children's Cancer Charity Limited and the Ovarian Cancer Research Foundation.
Come on, everyone, give her a big cheer! Come on!
Really done! You know what? I'm happy to hug you now, but I'm not hugging you after you've been to the Yarra River.
Wow, this is really happening.
This is really happening.
Where's my news spread right now?
In the Yarra?
Oh, okay, good, like everything else. It's very warm in here.
Can you talk us through the costume? Just talk us through. How does it feel, the idea?
Do you want me to give you a spin? Look, I let Steve in the trusty hands of Peter Kitchener. This is his design, he's come up with it. He just described me as a dirty bird. And that's me.
He's a man of many talents out there, Peter Kitchener. Of course, you are raising money for two wonderful charities. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Yeah, the Ovarian Cancer Research Foundation is a charity which is very close to my heart. One of my dear friends, Andy, lost her battle with ovarian cancer going back 10 years now. So it's a charity I've raised a lot of money for over the years. And then also the amazing work of the Moomba Children's Cancer Charity. They're going to see punch. We're not I'm failing.
How will they say, I never thought I'd see that happen. This is one of those things, and now the dream is become reality.
Shall I wear this on the news desk tonight?
Yes, please. Everyone tune into the news tonight, of course.
This is ground control, you're clear to take off.
There's no time to waste anymore. Please take off, quick. Final words?
See you at the other side.
Is that how far you're going to go?
Actually, I should treat it like a long jump, an Olympic long jump.
Can we get a big cheer from the south side over there? How do you think Clint's going to go?
We cannot wait to see this.
Okay. Just a quick photo up just in case it doesn't go through.
We just want to know, is Alicia jumping in with Clint like what's
No, she's coming. She's coming.
Confirm that's a no.
That's a no. There's still time.
Oh, look, Nick and Cole, I wouldn't want to take the attention away from Clint Stanaway. I think we're clear for takeoff, so I'll get out of the way here.
We're going to give him
Good luck,
a
Clint.
huge round of applause and a massive cheer. Let's go, everyone! Come on! He's flapping his wings! He's ready! Go, Clint!
Go Clint. Here he comes. And he's off. Here he goes. Oh!
He's done okay.
He has.
He's done better than you might think.
I tell you what, if I was a European diving judge, I would have probably given him 8.5 on the splash.
I think so.
Did he flop or fly? Let's have a look though at the replay. Here it
This is
comes.
going to be a great replay because you're going to see those wings in slow motion flapping up and down.
He did actually flap his wing as he come down. I think have we got the replay coming?
Yeah, I'm not sure if we've got that replay there.
It was too special.
He's still trying to get out of the water. He's using his wings beautifully. Here he comes. Here we go.
He cocked himself up.
Now watch the wing action. Here we go. The arms. He knows he's got to use them.
Flap,
There it is.
flap, and fly.
Oh.
Beautiful entrance. Well, let's find out. Did he flop or fly?
Hang on, Nick, just before you do that,
Oh, yes.
don't miss him trying to get out of the water because this is interesting. Oh, he's just about. He's nearly knocked over the lifesaver. This is not finished yet. He's still going to get out of the boat, ladies and gentlemen. Hang on, here he comes. He's lost his wings. He's lost his wings. Hang on, Clint. Are you okay? He's alive. Ladies and gentlemen, applause. Clint is okay.
Did we find out did he flop or fly?
I don't know. Hold up your sign.
Hold up for the last time.
3, 1.
Oh, there's a lot of flies.
There's a lot of love.
Because it's a fly.
There is a lot of love for this man. I think it's a play. Is he out of the water?
He's out of the water.
He's signing some very wet autographs at the moment, I think.
That's right, he's going up and Alicia's going to interview him.
And we're going to call him Clint Flyaway from now on. You'll see him on Channel 9 News, Clint Flyaway.
Embracing great funds, of course. What a great sport he was. He said, I'll get involved, I'll jump on and raise money for his big charity.
They've been awesome hosts. Let's have a round of applause for Alicia and Clint, ladies and gentlemen, please. They've done a fantastic job today. Very busy. They're back on Channel 9 a little later on, I'm sure.
Now, Cole,